This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. Just woke up. I don't know what time it is. I don't really care. I was up till 3. It's been rolling constant thunder for like 10 minutes now. Just wanted to tape some of that. There's not going to be any video. I'm going to put this in the window. Okay. And yeah, that's my homeless van. I've packed that thing up and moved so many times I can't remember. I usually just now leave stuff in it as much as I can. This wind's blowing. Beautiful. It's cool. It's good for me because I was up till 3. I'm beat. My body's not working very well. My muscles are bouncy. Trying to put my leg down, just take a step and it wants to come back up. Both arms. Something's pretty wrong. I don't know what it is. Other than friends praying for me, I don't know that I'm going to get much help. I need to get over on the far infrared bed. Do a little bit of healing. I believe that time is irrelevant to God, so whenever you hear this, please pray for me. I just hope to stay alive until I can be of some real value to people. It's like I've been living in a plastic world for so many decades. My reality will be the time that I've been created to live for. The time that I was brought into the kingdom for such a time as this. Judgment on the country when the remnant needs to be spared. That's what I'm all about. The remnant, the kingdom, the building up of the kingdom. What we will have here, I believe, in the Ozark Plateau is a mustard seed. It's going to be about all that's left that we can go out and repopulate the world. Whatever happens, however it happens, things are about to change forever. That I can assure you. I've read history, I've read the scriptures, the signs, the writings on the wall. Many, many take a person. We have been found wanting. We have been weighed in the scales and have been found wanting. If anybody thinks differently, they're fools. Get ready. It's going to be unending thunder, unending storms of judgment. Just like this rolling thunder you're hearing, if you can hear that. Been going on for like 15 minutes now. Amazing. This is the most electrical place on the planet. The best ground in the everlasting hills. The ancient mountain that was split in two, half toward the north and half toward the south. Yeah. Hope that sounds familiar. That's what the Ozark Plateau is. And it's the only place like it on the entire planet. Look it up. Look on a raised relief topo map. Something weird about that. I'm not going to say what, but it's weird. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. Going back to sleep. I hope you're listening to this, because if you are, you're the remnant.